Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gidok Keys. So today I'll be doing a tutorial how to play the keyboard, start playing the keyboard from scratch on F sharp. I've done a tutorial on this, but I did it on F and C. So after many requests, I've decided to do it on key F sharp. So first off, please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do it to like, subscribe and share. So on your F sharp, you know that this is your Do, which is your 1, this is your Re, which is your 2, your Mi, which is your 3, your Fa, which is your 4, your So, which is your 5, your La, which is your 6, your T, which is your 7. Back to your 1. Let me go over it again. Your Do, Re, Mi, Fa. Sorry about that. Your Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Hope you got it. So this is the first thing you need to know if you want to start playing the keyboard on F sharp. Then let me now show you guys the full chords of your Do, your Re, your Mi, your Sol, your Fa, and the rest. So on your Do, you have your this is your 1, which is your Do. This is the full chord, which is your Do, Mi, Sol, which is your F. This is your B flat and your C sharp. That makes up your Do on F sharp. Hope you're getting something. Your Re will now be this is the full chord. Then your Mi will now be got it. It is your Fa, Sol, your Fa, Sol, Ti. This is your Mi. From the beginning, you see your Do, your Re, your Mi, then your Fa, the full chord is your B, your E flat, and your F sharp. It's your Fa, La, Do, your Fa, La, Do, you got it. Then your Sol, Ti, Re, Sol, Ti, Re. Hope you're getting it. With your Sol, Ti, Re, then your La, Do, Mi is the full chord of your La, your E flat, your F sharp, and your B flat. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. You got it. Then your T, It's your T, Re, Fa. Back to your Do. So this is the first thing you should know if you are playing. If you're just starting to play the keyboard on F sharp, that's the full chord. Your Do, your Re, your Mi, your Fa, your Sol, your La, your T, your Do. You see, this is the first thing you should know before you now know. I will still teach you guys for the inversions on the F and the you see and your F sharp on my next tutorial. So if you want to apply it in a song, the major chords I use for most songs is your 1, your 4, and your 5. That is your Do, your Fa, and your Sol. That's the major chord used for most songs. So for example, this is your Do, this is your Fa, your Sol. Let me just use it in one song. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything you have done. We lift your name high. We lift your name high. We lift your name higher above all names. High. See, that's your Do, your Fa, and your Sol. The major thing is to know the chords and when to apply it. You understand? So if you are just starting to play the keyboard, these are the basics you should know. If you want to play on the F sharp, I did a tutorial on F and C for the part 1 of this very tutorial. So guys, I hope you have learned something today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, give me your feedbacks. See you guys in my next tutorial. Love you all.